Hello everybody, thank you for joining us today. We will be doing a quick sketch or checking out how to draw a nose. So if you have your pencils all set, just draw a line like so. One more over here. So what we have is a small round, round, and just have another two lines running along like that. So 3 circles, bigger, smaller, just for guideline. Now right around that, you're going to draw the nose. Like that. Right around the circle, just go not necessarily in a circle, but like this, like 3 lines, and then nostrils as this up here, bring it down, and little line here. So it's really, when it comes to a nose, you could make it as simple as you wish, but if you're using a pencil, which we are doing today, and I'm showing it from the more challenging position that it's from, also we're adding the nostrils into this. We have different things that define it from that point. So let's say that I have a light source coming from this side. I'm going to put in some crosshatch, let's say, right around there. A little bit of crosshatch right around here. Get some shading going right here and right around there, right around there. And of course it'll be more intense depending on the anatomy of the face around the nose. It'll be more intense wherever there is that skin curl around the nose. And of course under it, depending on again what the light source is. To smudge this a little bit, you'll see that it'll be just a typical nose. Now you could show it also, and now this time we're just going to use this, just crosshatch to illustrate, and you'll see how simple this can be. It's going to come down, following that shape. But the idea this time around is not to show the nostrils. And I've just done a bit of that. And I'm going to around. Very light strokes are what you need here, and then of course more intense around here on the shadows, depending again how strong the light source is or how much you want to illuminate certain areas and not others. As you see, if you just smudge that out a little bit, you have a nose without the nostrils showing. And of course I can make the lines more defined. I mean, that's all up to you of how much you want the chord lines to stand out. That is the idea, the general idea behind the nose. You can make it wider, smaller, this is how we would get around to it. Now you could also, just to compare, if you're using a pen, slightly different routine. Again, you could use crosshatch to come down and lay out all the details, but slightly different exercise with a pen, because again, if it's a quick sketch, it depends. If you're using your sweet time and you're putting in very intricate crosshatch all through, it's a slightly different exercise and slightly more time consuming, and you will have the results differently as well. But right here, what we're just doing is using the same pencil point, using the same pen point, illustrating how the crosshatch stands out when drawing a nose and using a pen. So I sketched out the nose and I'm putting in the same shadows, but here what I've done here is a little bit of the nostrils is actually showing. I didn't intend that, but I think it just came randomly. So there we have it, and again it'll depend on the light source on the rest of the face and how you wish for it to stand out. Usually that much is enough, depending on how detailed or how inked the image is. Okay, so there we have it. Another nose done in a pen, crosshatch. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.